Christmas to all the viewers of Sibis Food Factory. Hi friends, welcome back. As it's Christmas today, this is my Christmas gift. Let's see what's inside it. Wow, this is Santa Claus's dress. Let's see what things are inside it. And along with this is Santa Claus's hat. And this even has a beard and a mustache. See? It's the beard and the mustache. This is Santa Claus's top. Let's try putting on the beard and the mustache. Inside this, which is Santa Claus's pants. This is Santa Claus's pants. How is it? Does it look good? I think there's one more thing in that small box. Baubles and decoration. Let's take it out. Wow, it's so awesome. Have a look at it. I will put this set on top of this. I will put it here. And now we can open this. A lot of stickers on this. Wow, there is another box in here. We can open this one. Oh, there's even written here, manual instruction. Let's keep it down. This is one piece of the Christmas tree. I'll show it to you. I think this is the top piece. Got lots of creepers gathered up together. Let's keep it down. There are more pieces inside. Looks cool, right? Just like the other one. Let's keep it down. There's one more piece in here. Heaviest piece here. So heavy. It's very heavy. I can't hold it anymore. I hope you can see it. Let's keep it. There is one more piece, but it's not the tree. It's the tree stand. It looks quite like a bow and arrow. We can place it like this. As it's, you can turn it. Okay, let's put the stand down. Here are some screws for fixing this tree. Now, let's put the big piece on top of this. Fix this tree, we need to move this box away. Now we can expand this tree. There's a hole deep in it. So I have expanded this tree. Now let's put this middle portion into its hole. So I fixed the middle portion. Now, let's expand this tree. Now, we can put the final part of the Christmas tree. So this is the final piece of the Christmas tree. Let's let's keep it on this hole. That is scratched before. And now I fixed the Christmas. Now we can expand the final part and the last part of the Christmas tree. And now I've fixed the Christmas tree. Now I have to decorate it. And for the decoration, we have things in another cover and our bauble set. So these are the baubles, as you can see. Now let's decorate the Christmas tree with this. Wow, there's a lot of things in here. I'll show you the star for the Christmas tree. Now we can decorate the Christmas tree with all of these things. So first, let's put the star. I'm going to wear my Santa Claus hat. How do I look? Awesome? Let's go and decorate the Christmas tree. One red Christmas bauble. Put it over here. There's a special thing. It's wow, this is really Now I have a ribbon to decorate this. I will be right back with that ribbon. This is the ribbon. Turn it on. Now I'm going to decorate this tree with this ribbon. Now let's decorate this Christmas tree with some white. How is it? Does it look good? Now I'm going to come back wearing my Santa Claus dress. Merry Christmas to all the viewers of Sibis Food Factory. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas to all the viewers of Sibis Food Factory. Merry Christmas to all!